Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the English lecture video grade 1. Hope you all are fine, doing well at home. This is our English class today, and today we are going to start our unit number 3, lesson number 4, sentences. First of all, you have to open your book, page number 18. Then we have to do the exercise here. We have 3 exercises here, A, B and C, about the Fiza's family. So write the correct names in the answers. Okay, we have to write the correct names in the answers here. You know the family members of Fiza's family: Papa, Mama, Fiza, Ali, Sarah and Adam. So look at the picture and look at them, look at the characters, okay, carefully, and look at what these guys are doing here. Okay, like Adam is eating something, okay, Sarah is happy and she is like dancing, Fiza is sleeping, Mama is doing something, okay, and Mama is drinking something, and father is hitting something. Ali is just, what Ali is doing here, running, okay, and here is a rat too. So this is a situation of your picture. Adam is sitting on a dining table and he is eating something, and Sarah is dancing here. Papa is sitting the rat. Ali is scary and he is running away, and Fiza is sleeping on the sofa. Mama is sitting on the sofa and she is drinking some coke here. So we have to write the names of person who are performing the task, okay, who are performing these tasks, correct task, okay, correct action doings with the correct picture. We have to write the name of character with the actions, okay, matching the actions. Which one action is doing by whom, okay, which action is doing by whom. Who is dancing? Dash is dancing. Okay, look at the picture. Now tell me who is dancing here. Yes, Sarah is dancing here. So they have filled Sarah in the blanks because Sarah is dancing here in the picture. Now look at the next one. Who is eating a pancake? Yes, who is eating and sitting on dining? Adam is eating and sitting on dining. So write Adam here. Adam is eating a pancake. Okay. Now look at the next one. Who is running away from a rat? Okay. Now tell me from all of these, who is running away from a rat? Yes, Ali is running away from a rat and he is scary too. Okay. Ali is running away from a rat. Write Ali in the blank. Look at number 4. Who is sleeping? Yes, who is sleeping on the sofa? Class? Yes, Fiza is sleeping on the sofa. So write Fiza here. Fiza is sleeping on the sofa. Who is hitting the rat? Yes, Papa is hitting the rat. So write Papa in the blank with number 5. P-A-P-A. Papa is sitting in the, hitting the rat. Okay, Papa is hitting the rat. Now look at the next one. Who is drinking cola? Yes, who is drinking cola? Mama is drinking cola. So write Mama in the blank. Mama is drinking cola. Write the word Mama in the blank. Okay, look at the next one, part B. Your exercise B here is ask and answer more questions about the picture. Okay, now come to the C part. Answer the question using these words. Okay, we have to answer the question, okay, using the following words which they have given us to in the column, and see the picture first, then relate the actions and then answer the following. Okay, to find the correct answer we have to relate the situation with the picture. Okay, now come to the number 1. Why is Sarah dancing? Sarah is dancing because she is happy. Okay, just pick the word from upward, okay, the column, and write that she is happy. She is dancing because she is happy. When one is happy, he is going to dance. Okay, so Sarah is happy, so she is dancing. Why is Fiza sleeping? Okay, Fiza is sleeping because she is, when you sleep, when you felt sleepy, na, when we feel sleepy, we sleep. Okay, so Fiza is sleeping because she is sleepy. Come to the next one. Why is Adam eating a pancake? Because he is hungry. When you eat something, when you find yourself hungry, so Adam is eating a pancake because he is hungry. Why is Ali running away from a rat? Yes, because he is afraid of a rat. Okay, he is afraid of a rat. Ali is running from a rat because he is afraid of rat. Why is Papa hitting the rat? Papa is hitting the rat because he is angry. Okay, we hit someone when we feel angry. Why is Mama drinking cola? Because she feels thirsty. Mama is drinking cola because she feels thirsty. When we feel thirsty, we drink something. Okay, so Mama is thirsty, so she is drinking cola. Now you have to write these question answers of exercise in your English notebook. Do your work neat and tidy. Mention your date and day. Hope you understand the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.